I always thought the dusty old typewriter in the attic was broken, until the night it began clacking away on its own. Each keystroke echoed through the silence, spelling out my life story with eerie precision. At first, I was captivated, watching as the keys pressed down, recounting memories only I should know. But as the tale unfolded, it veered into the future, an ominous prediction. The typewriter described a day I couldn't remember, a day yet to come, where I found myself alone in a room, the air thick with a sense of impending doom. I felt a chill as the machine continued, describing a final, horrifying event, a shadowy figure lurking behind me. Panic surged through me, and I spun around, heart pounding. The attic was empty, save for the typewriter still clattering away. I rushed downstairs, and as I reached the bottom step, the power cut out, plunging the house into darkness. The last line echoed in,